There is an obvious but funny link between Takashi 69 and Takashi Murakami. Both of these artists have a very colorful rainbow aesthetic, and not to mention, their names are pretty much exactly the same. Let's do a deep dive into how this came to be. So there has been many rumors to why Takashi 69 got his hair painted every color at once. One rumor is he dressed up as a clown for his kid's birthday and shortly shot the music video Gumo, which caused him to blow up. So he kept the rainbow hair color as a signature. Another rumor is he would paint his hair a different color every single music video. After he did every single color he could think of, he thought, which color could I possibly do for my next music video? Out of all options, he decided, let's just do them all at once. And that was that. He filmed Gumo and the hair went viral. Lastly, he says his hair is rainbow because the rap industry is gay. Now, 6ix9ine has nothing against gay people, neither is he gay. He says, you know what made me do that rainbow? I'm not homophobic or nothing, I actually appreciate gay people. They actually run the industry. Basically, the hair doesn't mean I'm gay or fruity, or none of that. I literally, when I did the first rainbow was when we did polls with Trippy, and I literally did every color. And I said I need a new color for this video. He was like, what color are you gonna do because you did every color? I said, let's just do them all at once. We just did all at once. And I stuck with it. And that shit was viral. Alright, back to the main point. Takashi 69 versus Takashi Murakami. How could it be that these two have the same name and the same color scheme going on? Take a look at Murakami's pillow and Takashi 69's grill. We have the same color pattern going on. Is it safe to think that Takashi 69 looked at Takashi Murakami's art one day and embodied it through his rap music? Or maybe it's the other way around. Takashi Murakami had a prophecy that Takashi 69 would be birthed into existence. In 2013, Takashi Murakami's 69 Arats Beneath the Bodhi Tree seems to draw a connection between Takashi 69 and Murakami. This painting features a man with rainbow-striped frizzy hair, and he closely resembles 6ix9ine. Even in the title of the artwork, we see the word 6ix9ine. The word Arat comes from Buddhism, and Arat or Arant is one who has gained insight into the true nature of existence and has achieved nirvana. Mahayana Buddhist traditions have used the term for people far advanced along the path of enlightenment, but who may not have reached full Buddhahood. Could Takashi 69 be a symbol of enlightenment to the rap industry and one searching for meaning in existence? Well, maybe one day we will see Takashi Murakami's prophecy fulfilled. But for now, we have the rap star Takashi 69 rapping about whatever he raps about. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you see any connection between two people who are similar, different, or have nothing in common. Peace.